the highest affiliate income producing product ever. Offer a revolutionary product that is desperately needed by millions of people. This is an e-commerce product, so it's a training product, which means when somebody orders it from you, they get it immediate. They don't have to ship any product to the individual. And this is a high price product with a high commission for the affiliate. There's two present offers. One product is sold from $4,950 discounted down to $4,200 for a limited time. That's going to help you sell these easier, because by getting these training courses through you, the affiliate, they're getting a special deal. And there's a second special deal that's still $4,950 training course that you're offering for $1,995. So you get two options. You can go with one of the two options, or choose one sometimes and choose the other times. But either way, it's a high ticketed item that's desperately needed. And once somebody sees this training course, they're usually hair professionals, they want to immediately offer it to their clients and therefore get the training course from you, the affiliate. Next, to make this even easier for you to sell these training courses to hair professionals or anyone that wants to get this training course, to offer this revolutionary technology, you're going to get a landing page with a webinar that's completely automated. It's going to teach them all about this technology, and then it's going to give them special discount for a time-limited offer for urgency, and then it's going to give them bonuses. And then at the end, it's going to drive them to a checkout page where they can purchase right there from the video/webinar page that we're giving you. Next, let's talk about your affiliate commission. Normally you get 30% commission on these high ticketed sales, although if you sign up today, then that 30% will become 40%. So let's go over some numbers here. Remember, two courses, one's for $4,950, discounted down to $1,995 as a special promotion through you, and the other one is $4,950, discounted down to $4,200. And you could sell either of these. It's all up to you. You can sell both of them or just select one of them. All right? So let's go over those numbers. If you sell one at $1,995 at 40%, that's $798. If you sell one at $4,200 at 40%, that's $1,680. And that's per each individual course that you sell. And remember, this is a revolutionary technology that everybody wants. So what this means is that you have to look at selling more than this. We've sold up to 15 of these, sometimes 20 of these a week. So you should be selling multiple courses a week. So just do the numbers. Do the numbers. 40% for $1,950 and 40% for $4,200, and then plan on selling multiple these training courses per week. In addition to that, we give you all the marketing material. Now, you could use your own marketing material, although in addition to that, we give you over 50 videos and many other marketing material if you need it, if that's going to be a help to you. And ultimately, remember, you're getting your own landing page. That's your landing page that has a video in it that walks each of your prospects through what this technology is and what the course is all about. And within that video, it gives them bonuses and gives them a limited time offer, scarcity, to push the client, your prospect, to purchase right there at the end of the video, okay? Brings them right to a checkout page where they're going to get another little bonus and buy right there. So the point is, this is designed within a landing page and a video to help you sell many of these easily. I saved the best for last. This is going to blow your mind. This is on top of all the other commission examples I gave you. It's called royalty status. Here's what royalty status is. Count the last 12 months, and not the calendar months, but the very last 12 months. So you always have an opportunity to increase it, okay? The last 12 months, if you sell only 60 of these training courses over the last 12 months, whatever months they are, it could start from February or start from June, doesn't matter. When you sell 60 within the last 12 months, you're in royalty status. Watch what you get. You get 5% of every sale that your person that bought the course from sells. So let me give you an example. Let's say that you sold a salon or a hairdresser the course, and that salon or hairdresser sold 5 of these hair systems. Then you're going to get commission from what that person sold. So you don't even have to do anything, because the people that you sold the course to are selling this hair systems to their clients. And you're going to get a 5% commission of what they sell. So let me go over some numbers with you. All right, let's say you reach royalty status because you have sold 60 courses within the last 12 months. Make sure you're clear with this, because this is a gigantic opportunity, okay? And again, this is in addition to the other commissions I said, in addition to it. So let's go over some numbers. Let's say that one salon that you sold a training course to, that one salon sold 5 of these hair systems to their clients at $2,500 each, which is a little under our average, okay? That means, just looking at the numbers here, in that 1 month, you would get an extra $625 in addition to all your other commissions. But that's only one of your clients buying one course from you. Let's be realistic. We were talking before, you should be selling about 5 of these a week, all right? You can sell anything. It's up to you how much time you put in it. But we've sold up to like 15 of these a week, the training courses. So I'm thinking, based on that, any affiliate conservatively should be able to sell at least maybe about 5 of these training courses. So let's do some more math. Let's say that you have 10 courses that you sold, just 10 in total, all right? And those 10 courses, they're each selling these hair systems. If each of these salons or hairdressers sold 5 of these a week, because you have 10 courses, okay, that you sold, that would give you $6,250 extra royalty bonus, okay, on top of all your other commission. So this is a giant opportunity that is residual income. You're selling courses and you're bringing in high commissions, and then you get royalties coming in addition to that. This makes it gigantic opportunity for you. Another thing, if you want to see how this technology works and why would people buy training courses from you to offer this technology, look at the video below to learn all about this technology. Now, if you want to apply to become an affiliate, and if you do it today, then you're not going to get 30%, you're going to get 40%. And remember all the other bonuses also. Then all you have to do is apply to become an affiliate to offer and sell these training courses. When you apply, you're going to get an outline of the commissions you get, including the royalty commissions. You'll have everything in writing to see everything very clearly. In addition to that, you're going to get your own landing page that has the webinar video in it that sells the training courses for you. Remember, this landing page with the webinar video within it is going to sell for you. It's going to outline and explain and show all about this technology and why someone would want to buy the training courses from you. And at the end of it, in addition to offering them many bonuses and having a scarcity option at the end of it, so they'll buy now, then all they do is purchase it right from the video. Okay? So it's all automated for you. So you're going to get that also. So again, lastly, if you want to sign up to apply to become an affiliate, just click the button below. Thank you.